Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. We are doing exercise 12.1 children. Third question. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. They want numerical coefficients other than constants. They don't want the constant term children, so we will consider this term only. Minus 3t square is the term here. The coefficient of t square. Numerical value, right? That is minus 3 here. With sign you have to write. With sign. Second question is 1 plus t square plus t cube. They said that other than constant. So that we will consider only this last three terms children. T square and t cube. Now t coefficient is 1. If nothing is there means we have to write 1 only. T square coefficient also 1 and t cube coefficient also 1. Third one x plus 2xy plus 3y children. Here no constant there. So that we can consider all the three terms x, 2xy and 3y. X coefficient here nothing is there means 1. 2xy. xy coefficient is 2 and y coefficient is 3. Fourth one 100m plus 1000n. Now we can consider both the terms because there is no constant. So first term 100m and second term 1000n. Now m coefficient is 100 and n coefficient is 1000. Now fifth one children, minus p square q square plus 7pq. First term minus p square q square and this is the second term 7pq. Here minus p square q square is there, so that minus 1 into p square q square, right? Minus 1 into p square q square is minus p square q square. Now p square q square coefficient is minus 1. pq coefficient is 7. Sixth one 1.2a plus 0.8b. Here the terms are 1.2a and the second term is 0.8b. Here a coefficient is 1.2. B coefficient is 0.8. Seventh one 3.14 r square children. Here r square term is there. So r square coefficient is 3.14. Now see eighth one 2 of L plus B. Here you don't write directly children. Just multiply with 2. This is 2L plus 2B. Now see you have two terms, right? Now write the terms separately 2L and 2B. Now L coefficient is 2 and B coefficient is 2. Ninth question 0.1y plus 0.01y square. Write the terms here. 0.1y is one term and the second one is 0.01y square. Here y coefficient is, y is multiplying with 0.1. So 0.1 is the coefficient of y. Here 0.01 into y square. That means y square coefficient is 0.01. Fourth question children, identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Right? So here we have written terms with x only and coefficient of x. Here the first expression is y square plus x plus y. Here x term is this one only children. So we will write this term with x, y square x. Now x coefficient is, x is multiplying y square. So x coefficient is y square. Second one 13y square minus 8yx. Here x term is this one. So write the term here minus 8yx. Term with x is minus 8yx. So here x is multiplying with minus 8y. You have to write with sign also. Minus 8y is the coefficient here. Third one x plus y plus 2 is the expression. Here x term is the first one. Only x, right? Here nothing is there means you have to write the coefficient of x is 1. Fourth one 5 plus z plus zx. Here x term is the last one children. Write the term here zx. X is multiplying z. That means z is the coefficient. Fifth one 1 plus xy. Here they ask only terms with x. So this one and this one. Write the terms here. First one is x and second one is xy. Now x coefficient is 1. 1 into x is x, right? So the coefficient of x is 1 here. Now here x is multiplying y. That means coefficient of x is y here. Sixth one, 12x y square plus 25. Here x term is this one, children. First one, 12x y square here. We want the coefficient of x. That means except x, remaining all the numbers or variables are multiplying x only. That means 12y square is multiplying x, right? So coefficient is 12y square. Seventh one, 7x plus xy square. Here both the terms containing x, right? So 7x here and xy square here. Now see, x is multiplying 7. That means 7 is the coefficient of this term. Here x is multiplying y square here. So x coefficient is y square. Fourth one, B question, children. Identify terms which contain y square. Give the coefficient of y square. Here they want terms with y square only and coefficients of y square. Right. First one, 8 minus xy square. Here in the second term only we have y square, children. The term is minus xy square. Here y square is multiplying minus x, right? Y square with minus x is minus xy square, correct? So minus x is the quotient of this term. Now second question, 5y square plus 7x. Here y square term is this one, first one, that is 5y square. Here y square is multiplying 5. 5 into y square is 5y square. So that quotient of this term is 5. Now third one, 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Now check the first term here, 2x square y, but this is not y square. So don't take this term. Now second term, minus 15xy square is here. That means second term is containing y square and the third one also 7y square. Here also we have y square. This is also the term with y square. Now minus 15xy square. Here y square is multiplying minus 15x. Minus 15x into y square is minus 15xy square. So that quotient of this term is minus 15x. 7y square. Here y square is multiplying 7. That means quotient of this term is 7, children. Fifth question, children. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. The first term is 4y minus 7z. Now count the terms here, 1 and 2. Two terms here. The expression with two terms is called binomial. Second question, y square. Here only one term, children. The algebraic expression with one term, single term is called, it is monomial. Third one, x plus y minus xy. Here how many terms, children? 1, 2, 3 terms. The expression which is containing 3 terms is called trinomial. Here fourth one, 100, only one term, that is monomial. Fifth one, AB minus A minus B, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. 3 terms means it is trinomial, children. Sixth one, 5 minus 3t, children. Count the terms here, 1, 2. 2 terms. Here we have 2 terms. The algebraic expression which is having 2 terms, it is called binomial. 4p square cube minus 4pq square. Here also 1, 2. 2 terms here. This is also binomial. Eighth one, 7mn. Here we have single term. One term only here. So this is called monomial. Ninth one, z square minus 3z plus 8. Count the terms, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 terms. 3 terms means it is called trinomial. 10th one a square plus b square. Only 2 terms here. 2 terms means it is called binomial. 11th one z square plus z children. Here 1, 2. 2 terms are there. So it is called binomial. 12th one 1 plus x square. Here 1, 2, 3 terms are there. The algebraic expression which is containing 3 terms is called trinomial. Sixth question, children. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. What are the like terms and unlike terms, children? The terms which have the same algebraic factors are called like terms, and we know that the terms have different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. We have already learned in introduction part, right? Now first one 100, both are constant here, right? So these are like terms. Second one minus 7x and 5 by 2x. Now check the factors here. Here also we have x and here also we have x. Same factors, same algebraic factors, right? So that these are also like terms. Third one minus 29x minus 29y. Now here we have x is a one factor and y is another factor. Right, children? Both are equal? Not at all. So these are unlike terms. Fourth one, children, 14xy and 42yx. Now see here, this is xy. Yx means you can write it as xy also, correct? Xy is nothing but yx. Here they just change the order. So both are like terms. Fifth one 4m square p and 4mp square. Now this one I will write 4m square p, m into m into p, correct? Now the second one 4m p square means p into p. Now see here, here we have 2 m's, here we have only 1 m. Here we have 1 p, here we have 2 p's, correct? Is it same factors? No. These are unlike terms. Sixth one 12xz, 12x square z square. 12xz and here 12x square, that means x into x, z square, z into z. These factors are same, children? No, here only one xz is there. Here x is multiplying 2 times. X square and z also multiplying 2 times z square, right? Both are different factors. So these are called unlike terms. Seventh one, identify like terms in the following, children. Here we have many terms. We need to identify the like terms. Like terms means same algebraic factors, right? Except the numerical value, it has to be same algebraic factors. Those are called like terms, children. First we will see minus xy square terms. Is there any xy square terms? Xy square. This one also. And check, is there any xy square terms? Not x square y, children. Xy square, or you can say y square x also. That's it. Only 2. Minus xy square and 2xy square is one group. And second one minus 4yx square, right? Minus 4yx square. Now we have to check yx square terms, or else x square y also you have to check, right, children? Here yx square is here. Here 20x square y. This one you can call it as 20yx square also. Correct, children? So this two one group. Minus 4yx square, 20x square y. Next 8x square children. Check, is there any x square terms? See here, minus 11x square, minus 6x square here. That's it, only 3. 8x square, minus 11x square, minus 6x square in one group. Next one, y terms children. 7y here. Check, is there any y terms? This one, y only. 7y and y. Next one, x terms children. Here 100x, minus 100x is there. Now check, is there any x terms? Plus 3x is there. Minus 100x and 3x are like terms. And the last one, minus 11yx. That means xy term you have to check. Here we have 2xy. Right children? So minus 11yx and 2xy are like terms. Seventh question, B1 children. Here also we have many terms. We need to find out the like terms. Start from the first one, 10pq. Now we have to find out pq terms. That here minus 7qp, pq is nothing but qp only. Check, is there any other terms? 78qp. Here also we can write 78pq. Right? So these three are like terms. 10pq minus 7qp, 78qp. Second one, 7p. That means we have to find out p terms. Here we have p term children. 7p, 2405p. And third one, 8q. That means we have to find out q terms. Minus 100q here. That's it. 8q minus 100q are like terms. Minus 23 children, constant here. One more constant here, 41. Minus 23, 41 are like terms. 12q square p square. Here we have to find out q square p square terms. Here we have p square q square minus p square q square. And that's it children. 12q square p square minus p square q square are like terms. And the next one is minus 5p square here. That means we have to find out p square terms. Minus 5p square here. 701p square. Minus 5p square and 701p square are like terms. And the last one, 13p square q. Right children? 13p square q. That means we have to find out p square q. Here we have qp square. It is nothing but p square q only children. 13p square q and qp square are like terms. These are the like terms here. We'll finish the remaining questions in next session children. Thank you very much.